307 Outdoors.
How's it going, guys? The meteorologist is calling for the storm of the decade. We're supposed to get like 2 feet of snow, which would be awesome. But since it's snowing, I want to see if I can make myself a shelter. First, I'm going to clear a little bit of this snow off this area so I can start building from there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this bucket to make bricks so I can build my shelter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up this bucket and I'm going to pack it real tight, and it should make a really good brick since this snow is really wet. Alright guys, now what I should be able to do is flip it over and dump it out, and it should be in a nice brick form so I'd at least be able to make my foundation. Well, there's my first brick of my snow shelter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep on adding these bricks until I got a pretty good wall going. Alright, I got my base done. Now all I have to do is start building up. Awesome day to play in the snow. Alright guys, I'm on my third tier of bricks, and what I have to start doing is start to angle them to create a dome. That's going to be challenging, but we'll see what happens. So what I'm doing is I'm angling these in to make a dome shape, and hopefully it turns out to be what I'm hoping will be an igloo. What I've been noticing I need to do is I need to come in here and fill all the cracks in and meld all the bricks together, because and make sure that my foundation is nice and strong, because as you know, if my foundation is not strong, it's coming down. I made a lot of progress. I'm afraid it's going to get dark on me, so I better hurry up. Alright guys, this has been a slow process, but I've recruited my sister Sadie so we can speed it up a little bit. The sun's gone down, we threw on some lights, but we're not giving up on this igloo until we're done. This igloo is coming right along. I don't think we're going to be able to put a lid on it without it caving in. What do you think, Sadie? That was good. Alright, Sadie's being optimistic. I still don't think we can put a lid on it without caving in, but we'll see. As the wall gets higher, I gotta bring in loose snow so I can reinforce the wall. The walls are gonna be susceptible of caving in until the dome meets together. Look at this, this is pretty cool. It's starting to look like an igloo. All I have to do is cross my fingers and hope it don't cave in. Guys, this is going to be so cool. We'll cook it with propylene. really sweet. It blocks the wind really nice. I even have a chimney in here. If I wanted to, I can make a fire. It's real sweet. It's real cool. Sadie, I think we could spend the night in here. What do you think?
Oh, heck no.
Guys, it looks like the blizzard's here. I got about a foot of snow on the ground. 6 inches of it has probably already melted because it rained this morning, which was bad juju, but the wind's starting to pick up, so it's going to get western out here. Me and Sadie worked on the igloo till late last night. By the time we got done, we were wet and miserable, so we went in the house, we got some food, we went to bed, and this morning I woke up to the sound of rain, which apparently rain is not good for snow igloos, and it turns them into soup sandwiches. I was planning on cooking lunch and hanging out in the igloo today, but obviously that didn't pan out, so I'm gonna go in the house and stay warm through this blizzard. I hope all of you stay safe. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, I'll see you next time.